Okay, so I've let this first wash dry, and this is what we have. And now I think I'm going to do kind of the same thing I did before, which is wet the area that I want to drop paint into and maybe leave some more clear spots where the paint won't go. And I'm gonna just get all these areas wet around the bird now. Gonna keep the bird dry so that we keep that glorious red color. Being very careful to save all the whites that I have because they're really gonna make this painting sparkle. And what I'm gonna do is put a very light bluish green wash over the back of this so it'll kind of gray, because complementary colors red and green are complementary, and so they'll kind of make this background gray, hopefully. Really want to make this gorgeous red bird pop. And how do you make a bright color pop? You put a gray next to it. And how to make it pop even more? You make it a gray, but in a tone that's kind of complementary to the color you want to pop. So we want to use a gray green against the red bird. I'm going to take the background into the bird a little bit right here. I'm going to let that dry and we'll see what we get.